Hello, everyone. Till now, we have learned a lot about MySQL, different type of commands which were categorized under DDL commands or DML commands. We have learned how to create a database, how to open a database, create a table, insert the records, and solve several type of queries. So in today's session, what's new that we are going to learn? Today, we will see that if in a query, the records which are required and it consists of the columns which exist in two separate tables, then how we are going to deal with such query. So first of all, let me open my database session. And now let me see the names of the tables. Let us see the records which are already there in the client table. And now let us see the records in the product table. Okay, so we have the records in front of us. Now, first of all, let me just tell you something about join. Suppose that we are joining the two tables together and we are not specifying anything in the condition clause, that is where clause, then it happens to be a cross join, which is also called as Cartesian product. I will show you. If suppose you are writing here, select star from client, comma, product. You are just trying here to join these two tables. And let us see that what output it will give us. So we can see here that we have the client ID, client name, city, product ID. That is all the columns of the client. And then all the columns, product ID, product name, manufacturer, price together. That means that if we have 4 columns in client and 4 columns in product, and if we do the Cartesian product, then the number of columns will be added. That means that in the resultant set, we will get the 8 columns. And as far as the records are concerned, just see the client table. In this client table, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records. And here we have again the 5 records. Then in the resultant set, we can see that we have 25 records. That means that the number of records will be multiplied with each other. And Cartesian product is not making much sense to us. That is, you can see here that one cosmetic shop, Delhi FW05, this particular record is joined with this whole record over here. You can see here. Then you can see this whole record is then joined with the second one, that is with the face wash. Then this cosmetic shop, you can see here that this is with the bath shop, bath soap. And then you can see that this is joined with shampoo. So actually what is happening is that each record is mapped with every record of the other table, which is not making much sense. But this means this is the Cartesian product. So the number of columns are added with each other. You will get 8 columns and you will get 25 rows here. So there is a term called as degree and cardinality of the table. The number of columns means the degree of the table and the number of records means the cardinality of the table. That means that the degree of the table client is 4. Degree of the table product is 4 and the degree of the Cartesian product is 8. Here the cardinality is 5. Here also the cardinality is 5 and in the Cartesian product the cardinality of the table is 25. Now we will convert this Cartesian product, which is also called as cross join, into the equi-join, which will make much sense to us. What we will do here, we will write the query, select star from client, comma, product, and here I will add the where clause, and in where clause what I will do is that I will equate the common key of both. You can see here product ID is existing here also and it is here also. So how we are going to do that? We will write here client dot product ID equals to product dot product ID and put a semicolon over here. So here, since we have given the equality condition in where clause, so we have actually converted the cross join into the equi-join. So this is called as the equi-join, in which the equality condition is specified. And now when we will press enter, now these records are making the sense that the client ID 16, its client name is Dreams, city is Bangalore, product ID is TP01, product ID is TP01. The product name is talcum powder. The manufacturer is LAK and the price is 40. So actually it is making sense to us now that which client is being produced by which product is produced by which client and in which city it belongs to. So now let us see one query. I have written here, write a query to display the product name, client name, and manufacturer of the products whose price is greater than 50. So first of all, we will see in this query, we need 3 columns to be displayed: product name, client name, and manufacturer. And if we see here, then the product name is here, manufacturer is here, but the client name is here. That means that we need both the tables. So let us try to solve this query. We will write here, select product name. Let us, product name. Then we want the client name. So you will use the same variable which you have used while creating the table. And we need the manufacturer. From, we will write the table names which we are including in this for solving the query. And here in where we will write the mandatory clause, that is the product dot product ID equals to client dot product ID. And we had here one more condition. If we see here that the price is greater than 50. So we will put AND operator over here and we will write price greater than 50. So here we get the product name, the client name, and the manufacturer of only those products whose price is greater than 50. So this is how we are going to solve the queries in which more than one table is required. We have to give there this equality condition in the where clause by using the dot operator with the table names. As you can see here, product dot product ID equals to client dot product ID. This is how we will solve the queries in which more than one table is required. Thank you.